Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, my brothers and sisters. Have you ever found yourself staring down a mountain of challenges? Maybe it's those endless academic battles, or it could be those job interviews that you really wanted to work out but they didn't pan out. Or maybe it's housing hunts that you basically get to nowhere. Or it could be navigating through toxic personal or professional relationships. You know what I'm talking about. And yes, we've all been there once. And honestly, it feels downright overwhelming. It's so tempting to just say, I'm done, and walk away from that situation. That's actually the easy way out, right? But here's a thought for everyone who's felt this way or who is feeling this way at this moment. In these moments, when we're ready to throw in the towel, we are reminded of something pretty powerful. For those of us who believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we hold on to this idea that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not give us more than we can handle. It sounds a bit cliche, maybe, but stick with me. These tough times, they're not just random hurdles. They're not just random problems. They're actually tests of our faith, challenges to see how much we are willing to lean on to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and actually find strengths that we don't even know that we had within us. And that, my brothers and sisters, is where we find the silver lining of optimism. Now, let's dig a little bit deeper. The Quran has this beautiful insight. It tells us that there may be situations, or there may be that you dislike something, but it's actually good for you. Or you like something, but that is actually bad for you. And of course, the verse ends with, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He knows, but you do not know. This is a gentle yet insightful reminder that we don't always see the big picture. Our understanding is very limited. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's wisdom, it spans far beyond our imagination. So even in our darkest times, in our darkest hours, we are encouraged to trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's plan, to keep hope alive in our hearts. And who better to inspire us with this than our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself. Facing oppression in Mecca, dealing with problems in Medina, yet he never wavered. His commitment to his mission, his commitment to his da'wah, his unwavering faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's help, it's nothing short of inspiring. It shows us that with steadfast belief and determination, we can overcome anything. So what is the takeaway from all of this? When we align our lives with the teachings of the Quran and Sunnah, we navigate through life's storms with grace and with dignity. There's a unique sweetness in overcoming challenges, knowing that there is divine help, that there is help from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala himself, and there is a reward waiting for us. That thought, it rejuvenates our faith, strengthens our resolve. So to everyone out there who's feeling a bit weighed down by life's tests, always remember, you are never alone in this. You're never alone in this journey. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ease our paths, and may He lighten our burdens. Ameen.